Don't translate in your head. Learn English naturally instead. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Daily English Conversations. I'm Arrefa.
And I'm Tiffany. We're happy to see you again.
Today, we're in the kitchen.
That's right. We're making breakfast together.
Today's keywords are
Eggs.
toast, coffee, and hungry.
Get ready to practice real English for everyday life. Let's begin.
Good morning, Tiffany.
Good morning, Arrefa. You look sleepy.
Maybe a little, but I'm also very hungry.
Me too. Let's make breakfast together.
Great idea. What should we cook?
How about eggs and toast? They're simple and delicious.
Perfect. I'll cook the eggs. Can you make the toast?
Of course. How do you like your eggs?
I like scrambled eggs. They're soft and fluffy. What about you?
I like fried eggs with a little salt and pepper.
That sounds tasty. Do we have enough eggs?
Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, we have enough.
Wonderful. Can you pass me the frying pan?
Here you go. Be careful, it's a little hot.
Thanks. Now I'll crack the eggs. Oops, a little shell fell in.
That happens sometimes.
There, all fixed. How's the toast?
It's almost ready. Golden brown, just the way I like it.
It smells amazing.
Would you like butter or jam?
Butter, please, and maybe a little honey.
Good choice. Now, what about coffee?
Yes, please. I can't imagine breakfast without coffee.
Black coffee or coffee with milk?
Coffee with milk today. I want something smooth.
I'll make 2 cups.
Everything looks delicious. I'm really hungry.
Me too. Let's sit down and eat.
Wait, before we eat, thank you for helping me.
You're welcome. Cooking together is more fun.
I agree. Breakfast tastes even better when we make it together.
Absolutely. A good breakfast gives us energy for the whole day.
Ready to eat?
I'm more than ready.
Let's enjoy our breakfast.
Let's review today's vocabulary. 1. Eggs. Eggs are a popular breakfast food. Example, I eat eggs every morning. 2. Toast. Toast is bread that has been heated until crispy. Example, I like toast with butter. 3. Coffee. Coffee is a popular morning drink. Example, I drink coffee before work. 4. Hungry. Hungry means you want to eat. Example, I'm hungry after my morning walk. 5. Frying pan. A frying pan is used for cooking food. Example, the eggs are cooking in the frying pan. 6. Butter. Butter is often spread on toast. Example, please put some butter on my toast. 7. Scrambled eggs. Scrambled eggs are mixed while cooking. Example, I like scrambled eggs for breakfast. 8. Delicious. Delicious means very tasty. Example, this breakfast is delicious.
Great job. You finished the slow version.
This time, we'll speak faster, just like real conversations.
Ready? Let's go. Good morning, Tiffany.
Good morning. You look sleepy.
A little, but I'm really hungry.
Let's make breakfast together.
Great. I'll cook the eggs.
Then I'll make the toast. How do you like your eggs?
Scrambled eggs. What about you?
I like fried eggs.
Perfect. Do we have coffee?
Of course. Coffee with milk?
Yes, please.
The toast is ready.
The eggs are ready too. Everything smells wonderful.
Let's eat.
Breakfast is always better together.
Now, let's challenge ourselves with a faster conversation.
Let's begin. Good morning, Tiffany. I'm really hungry.
Then let's make breakfast. I'll prepare the toast while you cook the eggs.
Sounds good. After that, let's make some coffee.
Perfect. A warm breakfast with eggs, toast, and coffee is the best way to start the day.
I couldn't agree more. Let's eat before the food gets cold.
Now your turn. Listen and repeat.
I'm hungry.
Let's make breakfast together.
I'll cook the eggs.
The toast is ready.
Would you like some coffee?
Everything smells delicious.
Breakfast is better together. Now answer these questions aloud. 1. What do you usually eat for breakfast? 2. Do you like eggs? 3. Do you drink coffee or tea? 4. What is your favorite breakfast? 5. Are you hungry in the morning?
Excellent work! You practiced another real English conversation today.
Remember, the best way to improve your English is to practice a little every day.
Tomorrow, we'll come back with another fun conversation from everyday life.
Keep speaking, keep listening, and keep smiling.
See you tomorrow. Bye.